First, clean the mounting location. Apply the adhesive aid evenly to the surface of the position to be bonded. Tear off both ends of the adhesive tape. Stick it in the right position. After the position is correct, tear off the remaining rubber strips. Press the pasting position. The rear window is affixed with the same procedure as the front window. Pay attention to the installation position. Tear off the adhesive tape. Press the pasting position. Note: keep dry within 24 hours. Avoid water and highway speed travel during this period.